As we all know, the whole world is suffering from the COVID-19 pandemic. As we all know, the COVID-19 pandemic is also known as the SARS-CoV-2 virus because it is similar to the SARS virus which was discovered in the year 2002. According to the different studies, many pharma sector workers and World Health Organization contributing together and suggested many identification tests, many symptoms and many treatments according to the earlier data available. As we all know, the doctors, healthcare workers, police officers, and many other social agencies working together to cure the COVID-19 pandemic. According to the World Health Organization, they suggested some identification tests such as RT-PCR test, chest CT test, isothermal amplification, and many serological identification tests for the identification of the COVID-19 pandemic. According to the symptoms, they divided into two classes: mild classes and severe classes. The person suffering from the mild classes isolate themselves in the house, take proper rest and proper fluids and be healthy. If the person is suffering from the severe symptoms, then the person go to the hospital, take proper fluids, proper oxygen supply, and sometimes if there is need of ventilation, then the ventilation will be provided. According to the earlier data available, World Health Organization in the contribution with the pharma sector, pharmacists, they suggested some proper treatments. The first one is according to the remdesivir. The remdesivir, an entirely viral drugs used in the treatment of Ebola, may be helpful. Then the combination of lopinavir and pitonavir may be also useful. As we all know, chloroquine or hydrochloroquine are used in the treatment of malaria, may be also useful in the treatment of the COVID-19. Also, the World Health Organization suggests that hydrochloroquine plus azithromycin may be helpful in the treatment of the COVID-19. If you are going outside for the grocery shopping or necessary needs, then must wear the mask. If mask is not available, then wear a handkerchief. After coming from outside, must wash hands properly and throw properly the mask in the dustbin. If you use handkerchief, then wash it with sterile liquids such as Dettol and many other liquids. As we all know, after the COVID-19 syndrome ends, then there is the economic crisis ahead. For that, we must ready mentally as well as physically. So stay in the home, stay fit, do exercise regularly because our contribution in the building of nation will be the strong. So